a white man go create gun, go create bomb, go create missile to kill millions of people, we go dey hate them, say oyibo they too sabi. But if black man go do jazz for Ogume to take protect himself from that gun now, they go say na bad person. Because why? He go tap from the power of his own God. So for you to tap from the power of your own God, it don't automatically turn you a bad person. But I wish now olive oil now you rub for your body now as jazz for gun to prevent gun from penetrating. They go tell you say you be good person, because that one now something wey concern the God wey be like say they introduce give them. So the God now wey they introduce give us, they make us now they get self-hate for ourselves and things wey concern us. That na the mission of religion.